Hello friends, do you have an ABS light on or your car's acting funny, maybe going into limp mode, might not even have any trouble codes? Might be this little bugger, speed sensor. Let's fix it. So your rear vehicle speed sensors are right behind the brake, right there. This guy right here. All right, so with the bolt out, with a little 8mm, you just kind of wiggle it a little bit, and now you got some working room to work with this clip. See this red clip right here? I was able to just get it with my finger, but some people have to use a little screwdriver to get it. And then after that, it allows you to push the tab down, which will unplug it. You can't unplug it without getting that red tab up first. Pull that sucker out. Line it back up. All right, once you got it in, start tightening the bolt back up. Just go snug, you don't need to go crazy. Grab your connector. Push it on until you hear it click. It doesn't want to come back off. Put your little red tab back down. Push that all the way down. And you're just going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Now we can take it for a little test drive. Make sure nothing comes back on. If you had any codes. If you did have a code, it might take like 2 or 3 times when you drive it for it to come back on if there's still a problem. But you should be golden. Alright guys, well that's pretty much all there is to it. Every car is pretty much the same if you have those type of sensors. This happens to be a Jeep Rubicon 2011. If you made it this far, thank you, and please consider subscribing to Engine Recon. Have a great Easter.